Hello. I'm glad you've taken interest in improving your credit with Improve My Credit USA. Your credit plays a vital role in reaching your dreams, whether that's a new car, a new home, or even a job promotion. If your scores have kept you from those dreams, we're here to help you get on track to an improved credit profile and start dreaming again. Before we jump in, I want to share some of our track record so that you can know we're qualified to provide this information. Improve My Credit USA has worked hard to earn the title of consumer voted #1 in Texas for the last 2 years running, and with a 30 out of 30 score on Google. They rate us as extraordinary to perfection. Hey, it's their words, not mine. In the last year, we've received the Houston Award for Customer Service Excellence, and we've been nominated as Small Business of the Year. We're #1 because we love what we do, and we love helping you to start dreaming again. So, what is a credit score and why is it important? I'm sure you know that a credit score is something a lender reviews when considering you for a loan. The problem is, few know little beyond that. So here's a simple explanation. A credit score is a number that is calculated using a complex formula that evaluates how you pay your bills, how much debt you carry, how long you've utilized credit, the types of credit you have, and how often you apply for new credit. Lenders use these scores, among other things, to determine how likely you are to pay on time. Your score is just a reflection of how much risk you represent to the lender. The higher your score, the less risk for the lender. That's why lenders utilize the credit scoring system to help them determine whether they will extend a loan. A credit score is a snapshot of that risk level at the moment it is pulled. Consequently, it can change from day to day as the information that is reported comes in. So, how is your credit score determined? While the formula that generates your credit score is complex, there are 5 factors that influence your credit score. You may be shocked to find out exactly how each category works, so let's dig in and see. The first factor that influences your score is no surprise. The #1 category that affects your score is how you pay your bills. What may shock you, however, is that only 35% of your score comes from this category. That means a full 65% comes from other areas. Stay focused on paying your bills on time, and you'll have this area covered. The second factor is the amount of debt you carry. 30% of your score is derived from this category. That's only 5% less than how you pay your bills. So you want to make sure to keep your credit balances below 30% of the maximum limit. The third factor is the length of your credit history. The longer you've had credit, particularly if it's with the same credit issuers, the more points you'll get. It's for this reason canceling a credit card can lower your credit score. 15% of your score is derived from this area. The fourth factor is maintaining a mix of credit, and 10% of your score is determined by this factor. You'll want to maintain a healthy mix of credit. Credit profiles with a mix of home equity loans, car loans, mortgages, as well as credit cards are viewed as better than those with only credit cards. And the final factor that influences your credit? Inquiries. 10% of your score comes from the number of times you apply for a loan. Apply for new credit in moderation. Lots of recent applications can suggest you are getting credit hungry, which can be viewed as negative by lenders. That wraps up the 5 factors that influence your credit, and we hope you found it informative. Are you wondering what your options are for moving forward in the credit improvement process? Improve My Credit USA has a plan designed to help anyone, no matter where they're starting at. For the do-it-yourself or on a budget, you can visit our website for a free ebook download, or if you're watching this online, just click the link below to download it. It will help guide you through the process at no cost. For the do-it-yourselfer who wants a little more support, our credit correction software at $99 is a bargain. And most importantly, it's supported by our very own support team when you have a credit-related question. Finally, we have our professional services. We'll provide a thorough complimentary consultation to review your situation and determine if credit improvement is the best course for you. Once complete, The initial account setup is $199 for an individual and $299 for a couple. Each month thereafter is only $99 for the individual and $149 for a couple. Let's cover a few of the common questions that we receive. How long does the process take, and how soon will I see results? We're very careful to point out that it is illegal for a credit restoration company to make a promise of a specific outcome either for score increase or time frame to complete. While each person's situation is different, the average client can expect to be in the program for 4 to 6 months, and we recommend planning on this amount of time for complete verification of all items reporting on your credit. Typically, you will start receiving responses of the first round of verification between 30 to 45 days, as law allows the bureaus up to 30 days to complete their investigation. Can you delete a judgment, bankruptcy, foreclosure, collection, or any type of similar item? Be careful of any company that talks about what they can delete. No credit repair company has the ability to delete an item. All that we have the capacity to do is verify that all information reporting is 100% accurate, 100% verifiable, and within the time frames allowed. Having said that, all items must be reported accurately, and the law gives consumers the right to request verification of accuracy on any item, no matter what that item might be. Is this something I can do myself? Certainly. Improve My Credit USA has made every attempt to accommodate the person who has the time, patience, and stamina to approach the job on their own. Ask your consultant for available options. For more specific questions about the best direction for you, talk to the person who shared this video with you or click the link below to learn about receiving a complimentary credit evaluation. They'll help take the first steps toward an improved credit profile today.